I used to be so afraid of eating food. I never knew what I could eat. I didn't know what was going to affect my gut. A lot of fogginess, dreaded each day. At the end of all the tests, they'd come back to me and they say, "You're fine." I'm like, "Fine? How do you get fine? I'm here. I don't come here because of I want to be, entertained by you people. I come here because I want to get help." I went through functional medicine doc, chiropractor, thyroid pharmacist, ARNPs, protocols. I've been through so many, it's ridiculous. Or most of them said that they would address the root cause, but they really didn't, and really got no results in the first week. When I was chopping salad, I said, "I'm not tired right now." Well, that has progressed like crazy. Almost 59 now. And I really feel like 29. My energy levels maybe even better than 29. And I had the energy to be able to kayak for, 4 miles. I could travel now. I don't have the fogginess or any of those things like I used to have. I look forward to eating. I don't have to constantly micromanage every little detail of my health. Those are just the tip of the iceberg.